This could be the car for you. The 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.